I've been using the SimplePractice app for a while now, and in this video, I'm giving you my honest and unbiased review of whether it's the right choice for health and wellness professionals in 2025. SimplePractice is a comprehensive, HIPAA-compliant practice management platform designed to streamline operations for mental health providers, therapists, and wellness practitioners. The app offers a user-friendly interface that simplifies scheduling, documentation, billing, and telehealth services. Its mobile functionality allows clinicians to manage their practice on the go, writing notes, processing payments, and messaging clients securely. The client portal is equally polished, enabling clients to request appointments, join telehealth sessions, and complete paperwork from their devices. Features like biometric login, encrypted messaging, and automated reminders enhance both security and convenience. However, there are a few drawbacks to consider. Some users have reported that the mobile app lacks the full functionality of the desktop version, particularly when accessing detailed billing or insurance information. Additionally, the pricing can be on the higher side, with plans ranging from $29 to $99 per month, which may not be ideal for solo practitioners or those just starting out. While the app is generally user-friendly, there is a learning curve for new users, especially when setting up custom forms and templates. Overall, SimplePractice offers a robust and comprehensive solution for managing a private practice, especially for those who prioritize mobility and integrated telehealth features. If you're a health professional looking for a reliable and secure platform to streamline your operations, SimplePractice is worth considering. I hope this review helped you understand the pros and cons. If it did, please support the channel with a super thanks and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in next one.